Yo, what is up, y'all? We're back here with another video. We're back in the room because we have actually a DIY project we're going to be doing. I'm showing you guys how to do this because I feel like a lot of people do want these. And, I mean, if you don't want them, you're pretty lame. I'm not going to lie. Like, these are the coolest things you can have. But, y'all, we're back here. It's been a while. I'm not going to lie. I haven't been in front of the camera. Haven't talked to y'all in a minute. Unfortunately, I've had some life things I had to handle. I'm gearing up for some big things I got to do soon. A whole bunch of things going on, as you know, background stuff, personal life. As you guys do know, well, I have mentioned sometimes, college student, work 2 jobs, do this YouTube stuff just because for the fun of it, because I like doing it. I am trying to work with some companies, so bear with me because I actually, you know, I kind of got some emotion a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I'm an emotioner, a little bit of emotioner. But y'all, that's all y'all here for. You know, you guys are here for the actual taillights. How to make the clear taillights. As you guys see right here, this looks good, but we want full clears. You know, I mean, right now, don't look at the turn signal because I have the turn signal in there as yellow. I do like the turn signal yellow actually. I kind of like the JDM vibe. If you guys don't know, like the JDM taillights on the G's, like this side is red. The whole thing's red still, but this side's red and right here is yellow. Like he uses like a yellow lens, like a yellowish lens kind of thing, right? It looks kind of cool in my opinion. I mean, teach their own. I mean, I could pop this out. If I take it out, that's a full clear taillight right there, y'all. Looks pretty good. You can buy an LED bulb that's going to look clear and flash yellow as well if you want to do that. But personally, I'm kind of digging this right now. Am I going to get a full clear bulb? Most likely at some point. But for now, I like the yellow. But yeah, y'all, this is the full clear stuff that I did build. I'm going to be doing the same thing to the set right here. There's not much you do need when you're doing this, actually, because, I mean, for the most part, you just need some taillights. I'm going to give you guys a little rundown of the parts, tools, everything needed, because that is a big step of this, a big part of this. For one, you do need clear taillights. You just need to have them with the clear lens. For the G37, there's only... to my knowledge, there's only one set that comes like this. I have seen a blacked out taillight with clear lens before, but no one sells that. Like the company was a Depot. They don't make that no more. They don't sell it. I've actually tried to contact them because I wanted something for the G35 and that they don't sell no more. But I was trying to see if they could finesse it, you know, make a custom pair. They didn't respond. But anyways, this is you do need these taillights. You do need another set of taillights, or you need to get these bezel, like these like reflectors in clear. You can buy these reflectors. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't buy them, but I have seen one place I did see before sells these red reflectors in clear. They are a little hard to get out because of the way that they're glued in and everything. They're like I think it's like a hot glue gun kind of job. But don't drop it. I actually have like 3 taillights. I don't know why, y'all, but I have this one right here, which is a little broken. Yep. It's a little broken. I'm gonna glue it back together. We're gonna see if we get everything to fit. There's a clear thing here. This one on this, this one on this side, I did pop out on my own, so I'm gonna pop that one back in. But what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be swapping these out completely. So the one that's inside the taillight, I'm just gonna take that one out. Boom, put this one in. Simple, easy, quick job. So let's just get started.
Alright, y'all, so starting off with the taillights, first thing we're going to do is remove all the hardware. Going to take out the little rubber pieces, the headlights. Just don't struggle like me trying to remove that bracket, because I don't know what's going on, y'all. It just wasn't cooperating with me, but bear with me. After removing that, I'm going to take out 2 screws that hold in the side piece. I'm pretty sure that's to make sure water doesn't get inside the trunk. Then there's going to be 3 screws that actually holds in the physical housing to the back of the taillight bracket, plastic piece, whatever. But you know, now I took out the rotary tool. I took my rotary tool out to actually cut along the line. I'm gonna show you guys the line that they cut on. It was right there. That's how I did the whole way around through the whole taillight. And I used that same line the whole way around, just make sure everything was like, you know, simple, parallel. So when I put it back together, it's gonna be good.
All right, y'all. So we're gonna fast forward because, as you see, they're kind of done. It's not glued or nothing yet, so it's still loose. The chrome side is in. You got the rear, the red reflectors are out. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I made a mistake. You probably can't see it on camera, low key. I hope you can't see it on camera because I don't want people to notice it. But I don't know how you want to. Should I even tell y'all? I don't think I should even tell y'all. I should just cover it up and see if you guys realize where I made a mistake at. But they look good. I gotta fix it. It's not like, hold on. There we go. Yeah, it's good enough. That's how it's gonna look. Something like that. Put the light down. It looks good. I'm not gonna lie. They look really good. Because I know what the mistake is. I keep seeing it, y'all. It's pissing me off so much, y'all. But damn, they look good. They look good. Clears, it's just the way to go. Especially the right way, without doing like the whole knocking the red lens out and just like having it open. Doing it the right way with the lens. You don't even know there's a glass. That's how good it is. Anyways, y'all. I'm gonna seal it up right now. I'll show you guys how to use that. I'm gonna use like this JB Weld. And I'm gonna show you guys how to like seal it up properly without making any more mistakes. So let's get to that. Yo, what is up, y'all? It is officially time. In the last frame, y'all see me build the tail lights. But now, it's officially time to actually get them installed on the car. As you see, we're missing the tail light here. The hearts is over here on this side. They look good. I'm not gonna lie, the hearts look so good, yeah. I'm gonna miss the hearts, I'm not gonna lie. Hold on, let's look one last time. Oh, I'm gonna miss the hearts, y'all. I'm gonna miss them so much. But we're on to something new now. I have one side already removed, so I'm gonna put the clears in right now to see what it looks like, and it's looking pretty spicy. I'm not gonna lie, looking pretty spicy, yo. Damn. Oh my God. I should drive like this, y'all. One heart, one oh shit. I might just have to, bro, because this is gas. Hold on, bro. We gotta get back. We gotta get back. Oh my God. Wish I get the new wheels put on this, yo. Oh Lord. Nah, bro. I'm supposed to be in class right now. What time is it? Damn, y'all. Full clears. I can finally show y'all the little mistake I messed up on. I know what I'm gonna do. It's this little spot right here. I see in the sun. It's like when the sun hits it, it turns yellowish. But I have chrome trim, so I'm gonna put chrome trim around all these edges to cover the black, so it looks full chrome. I'm gonna cover all these edges going around. I seen someone else do that actually. It was pretty cool. But it look a little like matching the inside, so it'll look fully chrome. No black edges either. And then same thing on this side. This side's actually kind of worse, low key. I feel like I think it's the fake epoxy I got from Harbor Freight, y'all. Once that stuff got on like the edges, it's not good. So I gotta make sure next time I do this, cause there's gonna be a next time. I do gotta make another set. So when I make my next set, I know exactly what to do. But damn, bruh, that is crazy with the yellow flash too. I was going to do tailless turn. I realized actually the car does have a tailless turn module inside because someone else, whoever the last owner was, I guess they did that. never took out those taillights before. Not taillights, I never took out the centerpiece. And I realized that the taillight turner is actually inside there. So I don't know how they did that. It's a little weird, a little different. But damn, bruh. I gotta turn the lights on. Let me see what it looks like. Oh shit. Boy. Damn, bruh. Damn. Back to the halos, to the halo days. Red reflector in there. That shit looks fucking amazing, bro. What? The clears. I still gotta fix that diffuser. I'm gonna get a clear diffuser actually now and match that set, cause that clear full rear is gonna look crazy. The only thing I'm gonna leave red is my trunk spoiler. The light on the trunk spoiler. I'm probably gonna leave that one red. I don't think you can see it from this far back, but leave that one red, cause why not? But let me get ready for class, y'all. I'm actually missing class right now, like low key, like 5 minutes late already. So